Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a really nice, clean machine, hard to find. A 2007 Bobcat S250 K-Series, rubber tired skid steer, cab, heat, air, joystick, keyless, power quick attach with just 1,496 hours. A lot of these machines now today have anywhere from 25 to 5,500. I sold some with 6,000 hours. Nice, clean machine. Paint has been touched up on the black, up on the loader arms. I touched up a little bit of white, I'll show you. But the rest of the white back is all original. This machine is not rusted out. It's not a piece of junk. We're going to take you completely around this machine, start it, run it, and show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Put it down there in the dirt pile and work it for you. We'll start you right back here at the engine compartment. This is a gold package machine, so it's going to have the extra sound deadening material in the door in the cabin. Powered by a Kubota. This should be the V3300, which it is, V3300T. Pre-admissions. Engine starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything like that. Does have the Bobcat exhaust purifier muffler on it, so it scrubs the soot a little more for indoor use. We have had this through the shop. We fully serviced it. All engine oil, fuel filter, air filters, hydraulic filters. Being a K-Series, there's 2 hydraulic filters on this. It has been changed. Really a good, clean machine. A really nice stand-up skid loader. Stuff like this today just don't come around. Everything has admissions on it. Again, this would be a 75 horse turbo, 4-cylinder. I would put this engine up against a 4 BT Cummins any day of the week. I've had some of these with over 10 and 12,000 hours. Actually, one comes to mind, a farm machine, had 16,000 documented hours, had never been touched. They are one hell of an engine. Really nice, again, clean, straight, dry, no oil leaks. You can see in here the zinc plating still is all on all the hoses and steel line stuff. So go ahead, shut the back door. Back door's going straight. It's not dinged or dented. We did put 4 brand new D-Stone tires on it. The rubber that's on it was probably about 40%. I just wanted to put 4 new tires on it, a low-hour machine like that. There is this little blemish here on the white paint. What this was a bracket that bolted on both sides. It had an option on it for a top lifting hook. I have no idea why it was set up that way. All it was on there was the mounts. We did pull them off, and it did leave that little bit of marking on both sides of the white paint. Again, this is a 2007 K-Series machine. It's not welded, busted, anything like that. Up front, comes with a good factory Bobcat 72-inch tooth bucket in very good condition. It's not all welded or busted up. Coming up front, power 2-pin skid loader quick attach. We've been through, this thing is as tight can be. Where this machine come out of a small facility for maintenance, and they did load some anti-skid, and you can see here on this front kick plate from getting in and out, I did paint that, and I painted these loader arms where it was skin up. It's not, like I said, it's not some rusted out piece of junk. I want everybody to understand that, because if it was in salt, this here would be all ate up. It's not. I'm just pointing that out. I want to be 110% honest, but this is a 1,496 hour machine. Cab is nice and straight. I'll take you inside here in just a second. Take a look here on this side. Again, 4 tires match. Again, there's this little wee mark here on the white paint. Okay. We try to go above and beyond and over here. I'm not out to fool anybody. So many guys on the net today that just, I don't know, they're out trying to screw people. That's not us. It's a shame it is that way today, but it's just the way it goes. If you can see here, you have a foot throttle and a hand throttle, okay? Joystick control. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the display on. Air conditioning works excellent. It's probably 90 degrees today. I'm absolutely miserable here. Well, I'm probably not actually my normal chipper self. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go to active warnings, no active warnings, so you can see that. Let's go to back up here, loader features. We're going to vitals. We get the oil pressure, water temp, charge pressure. As you can see there, stuff will fluctuate when you get low fuel. Volt RPM. We'll exit out of that. One more time. Here's your normal RPMs, fluid levels. You got to just switch between ISO and all hand, power Bobcat, parking brake. Here's all your headlights, and then we're going to go ahead and do one more 96 hours, none. It does have bucket positioning. Turn that out. No high flow. You do have your variable. This is your auxiliary pressure release. Push to operate button and traction control. Wiper works. Inside the cab's good and clean. Again, has the extra sound deadening material. If I learn how to talk today. We did go over the washer jug was cracked. I put a brand new washer jug. You'll see from Bobcat. New washer pump, new coupling and hose. I believe we also put a new wiper blade on, 2 new bolts. Again, I like to go over my stuff so I know what I have here. Okay. I want to go ahead, fire this machine up. We're going to start it, run it, show it does everything it's supposed to do. Turn this back over to Matt, and we'll take it down in a dirt pile, push with it for you. That way you understand that everything is in working order, okay? guys, I hope you can consider from this video, this machine handles works just the way you'd expect a nice 1496 hour machine. The reason I did what I did down there where I spin around in a circle with the boom up in the air, I like to do that. It shows you a machine that has a lot of play in the boom, especially in vertical lift path. All that linkage has play then, and the boom will start to slop around like this, where this machine doesn't do that. It's very nice and tight. These are pre-admissions machines. They're never coming back. This is a Kubota motor. This is the real deal machine here. Hard to find stuff like this right now, especially at this kind of hour range. I understand this is a lot more money than the average guy wants to spend on a machine, but this stuff isn't coming around anymore. So keep that in mind. Machine has cab, heat, air that works. Brand new inner cabin filter, by the way, fully serviced. Cab, heat, air, power quick attach, joystick control, keyless start, 7-pin attachment control device, and hydraulic bucket positioning. Brand new tires. Machine is 110% ready to go to work. So you should have any question on this machine, please call us, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Machinery Trader and on Tractor House at, Machinery Trader, Tractor House, and see us on eBay at Mark Supply 88. Thank you very much for checking Mark Supply Company as always. Have a great day.